Welcome to our video on Project Management Professional PMP Prerequisites. If you want to know more about Prosifix, the leading PFMP and PGMP provider, you can visit our website and social channels listed below. Taking a step into gaining your Project Management Professional PMP certification will get you aboard the exponentially growing community that has already risen to be in millions. What better exposure can one ask for? But like most things in life, you need to work your way into earning it. In this video, we will learn the needed background for you to embark on an amazing PMP journey. To start with, the required professional experience needs to be acquired within the last 8 years. So, anything beyond that timeline will be disregarded. After all, if you have not practiced the role of a project manager within the last 8 years, why have the certification? Let us check the prerequisites needed to be covered within those 8 years. If you possess a secondary degree, such as a high school diploma or its equivalent, you need to have a minimum of 60 months of unique, non-overlapping professional project management experience and 35 contact hours of formal education. On the other hand, if you possess a minimum of 4-year degree such as a bachelor's degree or its equivalent, you must have a minimum of 36 months of unique non-overlapping professional project management experience and 35 contact hours of formal education. Finally, if you possess a bachelor's or postgraduate degree from a Global Accreditation Center (GAC) accredited program, you need to have a minimum of 24 months of unique non-overlapping professional project management experience and 35 contact hours of formal education. The GAC is the world's leading specialized accrediting body for project management and related degree programs. Pay attention, professional certifications do not count as educational degrees. So, you cannot count having a SAFE or SAP certification, for example, as an educational degree. And your educational degree does not follow the 8-year timeline. You could have acquired your degree 20 or 30 years ago. Please note that some bachelor's degrees take 3 years and not 4. Those are still counted as a 4-year degree. As for the experience, you do not need to have a title of project manager to be eligible. Some experiences go over and beyond a project manager's role while having an entirely different title. So, what matters is the role you have fulfilled or are still fulfilling. Assessing that role is easy because there is no unique definition to it. We will define a few basic roles and responsibilities that you should have before applying. If you fit one or more of these, you should be good to go. Managed or implemented projects. Those projects can be, for example, software projects implementations such as modules of an ERP system. Was included or closely interacted with projects' budgetary terms. Defined sequencing of projects' tasks. Dealt with stakeholders, and many more. If we look at the prerequisites, we notice a keyword that is non-overlapping. Let us take an example to see what we mean by that. In a certain year, you were managing 2 projects. Project A from January to December and Project B from October to December. What we have in this case is an overlapping of 3 months, October, November, and December. So, if you want to use both projects as part of your professional experience, both will be counted for a combined duration of 1 year. In this case, we advise you to remove Project B because it is what we call a stray project in the application and will not give you any advantage if you leave it. Moving forward, you will have to keep adding projects until you reach the required combined non-overlapping experience. As for the 35 contact hours, they can only be collected from the following sources: registered education providers, authorized training partners. For those two, you can check the certifications website to know more about them. A lot of people think that those are the only sources, but you should note that you also have the following alternatives: company-sponsored programs, training companies or consultants for example training schools, online companies, those should include an end-of-course assessment, academic or continuing education programs. You can check our YouTube video on how to get your 35 contact hours for PMP or read about it on our blog. Pay attention. Lying or altering your experience facts will most probably come around and bite you. A lot of applications get audited. Failing to comply with the audit rules by not sending the required documents, whether educational or professional, will result in you failing the audit and getting barred for a full year. You can learn more about the audit process in our audit video or read about it on our blog. If you are not sure what is the equivalent of your degree, whether your experience fits or not, or require a review of your application, we have packages to fit all your needs.